How you going, everyone? This is Michael from Ryobi, the Ryobi stand at the Melbourne Home Show. Come down and check us out. I'll quickly give you a run through of our stand and what we've got on offer. So first of all, 18 volt range. So we've got the 1+ system here. We've got every tool that you can pretty much imagine. Come and check it out. Get your hands involved. We can actually make some products as well, which we'll show you a little bit later on. We can give you obviously some expert advice on what tools that you may require to do some DIY work. I can actually show you a bit of that. A lot of people at the moment renovating bathrooms. So what we're giving in here is basically some tools that you may require to actually renovate your bathroom. We can give you some, as I said before, expert help in relation to these tools. For the guys guys and girls, I should say, that like to work with recycled timber, we built this coffee table here out of pallets, so we can run through with you what kind of tools that you may require to build your own coffee table, dining room table, that kind of application. Over here, we've got a photo booth. So for the guys that like the social media, we're going to have some boomerang. We've also got Barry Dubois on the stand from time to time, so you can come and get a photo from Barry from the living room. We've also got stock that we are selling. So we've got some deals which we'll talk to you about a little bit later on. But if you actually come and buy these tools, we've got a few specials, as you'll see here, from Bunnings. So if you spend over $100, you'll receive a $10 gift card. If you spend over $350, you'll get a $60 gift card to Bunnings, which is awesome for Father's Day, which is coming up shortly as well.
Excellent. Well, you have a really good day, sir. See you later.
We've also got our 36 volt range. So for those who want to get into the power garden side of things with cordless power, we have brushed and brushless tools that we can talk to you about. The technology's come a long way in cordless, and you'd be surprised at how much power and also runtime that this can offer you. So we can talk to you about that. We've got all the products on display. Again, you can get your hands on them. You can feel things like the weight, get the right kind of application to suit your needs. And one of the most exciting things, and the things that most people love the most, is our make and take.
This is like a bit of cream.
So our make and take here, you can actually come in, make your own barbecue caddy, step-by-step process. You can get involved, right? We do things like using drills, impact drivers, multi-tools, and if you haven't used tools before, this is the place to do it. To finish off, there's some really good deals that we have at the show. We'll get through the crowd here. And one of our key products at the moment, we have this kit here available, which is $3.99 down to $225. And not only that, you'll also receive a $30 gift card to Bunnings. Great value. If you don't want to buy it and you want to win something, we also have this kit available every day to win. All right. So all you need to do is either scan your ticket or register with us, and we're giving away one per day.
Wow.
So come and get involved. Come and see us down at the stand. We'd be happy to help you with any of your questions, and love to see you here.